We're here for a festive evening at the Leeds Castle Christmas Light Trail.
Here's what's coming up.
So it started raining.
To be fair, we didn't have a McFlurry, so fitting.
They do all the work, I zip in Christmas Eve, take all the glory, job done.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Oh, we're starting with the Cathedral of Lights at Leeds Castle.
Yeah, the way most light trails end is the way this one starts.
Yeah.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
So it started raining. We were actually coming after the day after Storm Dara.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was rescheduled from the previous storm, and we've come when there's another storm.
And we were meant to go to Bedgebury yesterday. That was cancelled because of the storm.
Yeah, so that's now on Boxing Day. Oh, honestly. So it's a bit wet, it's a bit windy.
There's lots of Christmas content to come.
Just after Christmas.
Just keeps on getting delayed. But yeah, even though it's raining, it's still good. And the bonus of it raining on a light trail, it's almost like an additional light effect, because obviously the lights light up all the rain as well. So
Yeah.
see the positive, people.
So we're now at the fun fair area and all the food and drink offerings. So we'll take you around, see what they got. I can't say I'm very hungry at the minute, so I don't think we're going to get anything.
We had a cheeky McDonald's before we arrived, so
did.
en route up. So we're quite full, but doesn't
Never
stop
say
us
never.
looking.
Never say never. So you've got a bar, Festive bar, mulled wine. Let's look at the churro company.
I was going to say, to be fair, we didn't have a McFlurry, so fitting.
Loaded fries.
They look good, to be
They do look
fair.
very
They
good.
look very good.
Coffee lovers. Pizza. Greek street food. The Rad Burger. What makes a burger rad?
Being a good burger, I guess.
Well, these people must know. They got rad burgers.
I do have to say, I'm quite surprised with the amount of range that they've got here. They've got like crumbling custard, like all the normal stuff that kind of in it. The other ones like the burgers, pizza, coffee stand.
Greek, the bar. But
Yeah, but they've got churros, sweet stand, and yeah, some of the best bits from the other ones that we've already been to.
agree.
Hot chocolate menu, so not just any hot chocolate, they've got a range of hot chocolates.
So all right tokens, £3. And that covers all of them. You think we should get some churros then?
Yeah.
Churros?
Yeah.
Small or
Can we
large?
take them into the big tent?
The big tent? You mean that one there?
Yeah.
And the big question, do we want a small or a large?
Small, surely. We've both gone, we're not hungry.
But it's
And now we're
churros.
buying churros.
It's churros.
So surely small rather than the large.
Go on then, small it is.
We went large.
Yeah, we did.
It was an extra £2, so
Worth how cheap per churro. It's worth it.
there's a lot of churros.
They smell good and they're fresh. They're £8, 9 churros, and a hot chocolate sauce. Good churros.
Yeah.
Very good churros.
Which makes a difference when they're fresh, like fresh.
It does. Ooh, wow. Highly recommend those.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
Good evening, Santa.
Oh, good evening. Happy Christmas to you.
And to you. How are you?
Very well, thank you. And you?
Yeah, all good.
Good. You
How's...
ready for the big day?
Oh, getting there.
Right.
How about you? The big question is how about you?
I leave that to the elves.
Oh, I don't blame you.
No, they do all the work. I zip in Christmas Eve, take all the glory, job done. Delegation.
Well, yeah,
See you.
that sounds like a good idea to me,
It
to be
is.
fair.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Giving up on the umbrella broke. I need to stay up. And my hood as well, so just embracing rain.
And that is going to do it for our evening here at a very wet Leeds Castle.
It's been very wet, but obviously that's not Leeds Castle's fault.
No.
Just prepare for the elements. It's England.
Raincoat, hat, gloves, scarf, all that good stuff. It's
Yeah.
been very wet and windy.
Yeah,
But
the lights have been amazing.
really, really good. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely on par with the other light trails we've been to this year.
Yep.
We've
I'd
done
say so.
Dun and Massey, we've done Chester Zoo. Both of those have been run by the same company that run
Yep.
these.
And it's the same company as Bedbury.
It
but
is.
Obviously, we can't compare it to Bedbury this year.
Not been yet.
But that's coming
No,
up.
stay tuned for that one. But yeah,
Enjoyed it.
yeah.
This is your
definitely.
Christmas present, wasn't
Thank
it?
you. Thank you very much.
enjoy your Christmas present,
I
yeah?
did. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Much appreciated. Well, that is going to do it for this Christmas vlog. And until next time, we shall see you
Real soon.
soon.
Bye.